Did you get a copyright claim on your TikTok and you want to be able to remove it? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then this might not work for you, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to of course come to our TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right now, and that is perfect. And of course, I need to log into that account that is affected. And then what you need to do after that is to come to your profile and then click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be taken here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says settings, as you can see. So click on settings, because then you should be taken here. Now I'm just going to scroll down in here until I can see where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. Then you should be taken here, and that is great. Scroll all the way down in here until you can see where it says submit a report. So click on submit a report. Just going to load here for me, and then you should be taken here. So basically, now you might wonder, why do I have to come to this page right here? Well, great question. The reason why we need to come to this page is quite simple, actually. The reason why is because in here we're able to contact the TikTok support, and we can explain to them that it has been some issue, that you have gotten like a copyright claim, and it has been a mistake, basically. And that is basically how you can resolve this issue on your own. So you need to write exactly like this now. I have gotten a copyright claim on my video. I think this is a mistake. The video falls under fair use. So you can write exactly like this. Like, you need to, of course, also read up exactly what fair use is, by the way, just so you know. Like, don't just write fair use if you're not 100% like sure about that, of course. So basically, you can try to do this, like, and to try to remove the copyright claim. It is not 100% guaranteed that this will work, just so you know. So there's no 100% like guarantee, but this is something that you can try to do, because TikTok support do see like their reports, and they do answer, just so you know. So now click on submit in here. And what you need to do now is to wait about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to be able to see this. And hopefully, after that, this can be fixed for you. So, this is a way that you can try to be able to remove a copyright claim on your TikTok. So, let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.